Welcome. Today, we're going to explore a fundamental concept in algebra called direct variation. We'll be looking at the special relationship known as y equals k times x. The entire concept of direct variation is built around a simple but powerful equation, y equals k times x. In this relationship, y is what we call the dependent variable, and x is the independent variable. The letter k represents a constant value that connects them. K is known as the constant of proportionality. Think of it as a special number that defines the relationship between x and y. For any given direct variation problem, k remains unchanged. It acts as the rate or the multiplier. Let's consider a real-world scenario. Imagine you get paid for a job at a rate of $20 per hour. Your total earnings are directly proportional to the hours you work. The equation is earnings equals 20 times the hours worked. Here, your earnings are y, the hours are x, and the constant, k, is 20. So, if you work for 3 hours, you would earn $60. When you plot the relationship of a direct variation on a graph, you will always get a straight line. What's more, this line will always pass through the origin, which is the point where the x and y axes meet at coordinates 0, 0. If you are given a corresponding pair of x and y values, you can easily find the constant, k. By rearranging our original equation, we get a new one. K equals y divided by x. This simple division gives you the constant of proportionality. Let's look at another example from the kitchen. Suppose a recipe calls for 2 cups of flour for every 1 cup of sugar. The amount of flour you need varies directly with the amount of sugar you use. The equation is flour equals 2 times sugar. In this case, y is the amount of flour, x is the amount of sugar, and the constant, k, is 2. If you decide to use 3 cups of sugar, you will need 6 cups of flour. To sum up, there are 4 key things to remember about direct variation. First, its graph is a straight line that goes through the origin. Second, the ratio of y to x is always constant. Third, as x gets bigger, y also gets bigger at a steady rate. And finally, if x is 0, then y must also be 0. Let's try a practice problem. If y varies directly with x, and the constant of proportionality is 5, what is the value of y when x is 8? We use our formula, y equals 5 times 8. This gives us a result of y equals 40. Here is another one. If y varies directly with x, and you know that y is 54 when x is 9, what is the constant of proportionality? We use the formula k equals y divided by x. So, k equals 54 divided by 9, which means k is 6. Let's quickly recap the most important points. Direct variation is described by the equation y equals k times x. The letter k stands for the constant of proportionality. The graph of this relationship is a straight line passing through the origin. And if you need to find the constant, you can use the formula k equals y divided by x. Keep these points in mind, and you'll have a great handle on direct variation.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.